Fat Boy? Good boy. This is Judy with Total Control, dog owner assistant. I'm still here, still training. We're back again with Fat Boy and my grandson, who we just call the little dog trainer. I'm going to show you, look how well trained. No matter what he's doing, running around this room, Fat Boy's just sitting there. And just in case you're wondering, no, I didn't tell him to sit there. I'll show you who did, though. Fat Boy. Come on, Fat. All right, let him come in. See, he won't even come in. Fat Boy. It's okay, come. Good boy. All right, Jackson, do your thing.
Get it. Fat Boy. Fat Boy. Fat Boy, go.
Who says bully breeds can't be trained? And not only are they trained, they listen to children. Hey, little grandson of mine, tell everybody how old you are.
I'm 5, everybody.
Okay.
5. It's time for my video to stop.
It's time for your video to stop.
Yep.
Okay, but this really isn't your video. This is Fat Boy's video.
It's my video.
What a good, what a good boy he is.
Yep. This video.
Well-trained dogs with children playing, jumping around, as you can clearly see. Look at Fat Boy. So America, when you start thinking about bully breed, do you want a pit? Do you want an Amstaff? Jackson, do your thing.
Go. Go, Fat Boy. Sit. Sit.
Just tell him once. And again, a picture and a video speak 1,000 words. Don't rule out these bully breeds for your children. Train them well. Socialize them with children when they're very young, the children and the dogs. And you'll end up with a wonderful pet like this one. Do you believe this? I know if I was a dog, I'd be all over him. Licking him, playing with him, trying to take the ball. The Fat Boy is a very well-trained dog. And of course, he was trained by me, Judy, at Total Control, dog owner assistant. My website will be up soon, www.totalcontroltraining.com. Or email me, totalcontroltraining@yahoo.com. You want a dog to behave like this in your home? Give me a call. It's a lot easier than you think. Alright? And this type of training lasts a lifetime. Of course, if you need help with your kids, that's a whole nother story.